Let's look at this some more. So we have Brianna, who decides to save money each week for her family vacation. Use the graph to find the constant proportionality that then describe what it means. Okay, so proportionality means how much is it growing by each time. And in this case, we are talking about the money saved to the ounces okay, so we can see that this graph is counting by every 2 lines is 1 ounce, which means that the ones in between are going to be half. So this would be 1/2 or 0.5. This would be 1 1/2 or 1.5. This would be 2 1/2 or 2.5. And so on. Okay, now each one of our lines here, we have 0, 20, 40, 60. Well, between 0 and 20, we have 10. Between 20 and 40, we have 30. We have between 40 and 60, we have 50. All right, now let's look at this. Every time I get over to 1 ounce, I go up 20. Now let's see if that can stays the same. So I went over 1 and up 20. Let's see if I can do that again. I go over to 2. So I went over by 1. And I'm going to go up to 40. But to get from 20 to 40, I'm going up by 20. Okay. This is called our rise over our run. So you put the amount you're going up, just like a ratio, the amount you're going up over the amount you're going to run. So I am going over or up $20 every time I go over 1 ounce. This is important that you put it in this order. It always should go 20 as your ratio to 1. So your value going up or down on the y-axis goes on top, and the value going left or right goes on bottom. We'll get to that more often, but $20 for every 1 ounce, $20 for every 1 ounce. So the constant proportionality is going is 20 to 1. The constant proportionality, means that Brianna saves $20 each week.